going on, guys? It's David, and today we're going through a day in the life using the AirPod Maxes.
Most stones in a cemetery, I have most strings in y'all in February. It's getting hard to put a price on a show.
It's currently 8:30. I've been up since 7. The AirPod Max have been on my head for around 10-15 minutes now. We're gonna be wearing these as much as possible all day, other than driving obviously, but I'm gonna try to keep these on. The transparency mode is really good, so I feel like, you know, they're pretty safe to walk around with for the most part. We're about to head to HQ right now, so let's go. Alright guys, so we're on the way to HQ now. The headphones are dope. I like them so far. The morning has been pretty nice with them, I can't lie. They're still at, I think, like either, let's see what they're at actually. Still at 100%. I haven't used them too much. I will say the only thing about headphones in general, it doesn't matter like what kind of headphones they are, my hair gets messed up every time. So when you see my hair messed up, it's for the video, okay? I do it for you guys. Please.
Just got to HQ. Right now I'm taking a phone call and doing a little bit of editing. The headphones are still running strong. Right now I'm using them on my phone, obviously, to take the phone call. But we're about to get to the gym, so I'll see you there.
All right guys, we just finished up on the treadmill. Good 20 minutes on there. Now we're about to hit the weights. So far, headphones are not too bad. They are getting a little sweaty on the ear cups, but not too bad as far as just like feeling the weight of them themselves. But we're gonna keep going with the workout and keep you updated on if you should use them or not. Let's go. So we're about to head home. I'm about to start driving and take these headphones off. It's 3:46 after that workout. We're at 79%. Hold on. I don't know if you can see, but 79% on the headphones. They're still doing good. Just made it back. Headphones going on instantly. We're gonna go upstairs right now, try to figure out what we're gonna do. Definitely gonna get some food. Whether we cook it or whether we go get some food, I'm not sure, but definitely gonna get some food right now because I haven't eaten all day. I ended up coming to Jersey Mike's. So we just completely destroyed Jersey Mike's. Like I said, I folded. Can't go wrong with a good sub. Headphones are still going strong. All right guys, so we just got back from Jersey Mike's. I forgot to mention that after the gym, my headphones were a little sweaty, so I wouldn't recommend that. And honestly, whenever I'm doing like a lot of movement, they're like sometimes falling off, especially if you're going to bench. It could get annoying sometimes. So I wouldn't recommend them as gym headphones. Obviously, they're not gym headphones. You can use them if you really need to, but over time, your pads are definitely gonna get a little stinky. I would just look for earbuds personally. All right guys, we're in Costco right now. Headphones are doing good. Currently in transparency mode, so I can hear everything around me, maybe even a little bit better than I could before. Right now, the AirPod Maxes are at 64%, as you can see right there. You can see. So, still chugging throughout the day. It's 8:14. I definitely have not been using them for the last hour and a half to 2 hours. Took a little dive in the pool. Quick little dive, getting some cardio in, but using them now in transparency mode, like I said, and we'll probably be here for a little bit. Right now we're just gonna get some stuff and go from there. Yo, Dyson, I need this one right here, okay? I need this one right here. Sponsor your boy, all right? Thank you. Yo, scratch what I just said. Dyson, this one. This is the one actually. The V15, dog. That's the one I need.
What's it called?
Actually, don't even say what it's called. Dyson, just hit me up in the DMs, okay? Don't stop showing it. No more Dyson. Yes. So we just got done in Costco. Transparency mode is lit. I can literally hear everything. Like I said, the camera has 9 different mics. 8 of them are for the transparency and noise cancellation. So it's the end of the day. We're at 57% on the AirPod Maxes. Listen, it's about to be 10 o'clock. So these headphones definitely can last, I'd say, the 20 hours that they're given. Obviously, this isn't, a very strategical test. This isn't 100% anything, but just from, a real life situation, they seem like they're going to last you at least 20 hours. The headphones are good. Finally taking them off. The padding is comfortable. Everything is pretty comfortable about the headphones. Obviously, they're a little bit heavy, being 13.6 ounces. They're gonna get a little fatiguing maybe throughout the day, but they are comfortable. And if you're sitting at your desk, you're not gonna feel them, right? So for everyday lifestyle stuff, walking casually, sitting at your desk, just lounging in general, and doing obviously work and whatnot, if you're not, shaking your head crazy, obviously, they're gonna be good for you. Working out was the only thing where I'm like, these probably are not your go-tos. You could definitely find better headphones or earbuds, I would say, even for working out, just because number one, the weight, and number two, the ear pads, they actually soak up your sweat instead of like being able to wipe them off easily. You're gonna have to wash these quite often if you're gonna want to use them for that. Other than that, let me know what you guys think. Obviously, being $500 headphones, they're gonna be good, but do you think they're good enough for the price point? So appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're dropping every week. Every Friday, look out for a video. If you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button. Get out of here. See you guys later. Peace.